Good morning, good morning. Welcome to your EVS class. Today we will start one new chapter, that is Let's Celebrate. Let's celebrate at page number 63. So I am fine. How are you everyone? I am fine, Shubhecha. How are you? This question is for all of you. Hope you all are fine, right? Very good. Okay, so start your EVS class. Everyone open the page number 63. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. So today we will start Let's Celebrate at page number 63. 63. Okay. So here is a poem and one boy is saying this poem, and I am now saying this, and you have to say this with me. Okay everyone? So open your book in front of you and start with it. Yes, Shovik, I know this. So let's start with this poem. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. See them fly. See them fly. Fireworks shooting up so high. You know about the fireworks, right? Fireworks shooting up so high. Red, yellow and green, so bright. Bang, pop, whiz on Diwali night. Right? So look at the sky. If you are now in the sky, under the sky, that time you can see in the sky. Look in the sky. See them fly. So who can fly? You know, birds can fly, right? See them fly. Fireworks shooting up so high. So fireworks, you know this, and the Diwali nights or in the Durga Puja, any other season, that time we lighting those fireworks, right? And when we give them fire, that time it goes to direct to the sky, and then it's boom, pop, whiz, so many sounds we can hear that time, right? And we can see also there are a lot of lights when it's boom boom, it's just break down, that time we can see lot of lights, those green, those yellow, red, a lot of light we can see in the sky. So that is fireworks, you know this. And this so bright color, red, green, yellow, blue we can see, and the sounds we can hear like bang, pop, whoosh, and that's it, Diwali night. That is Diwali night. So festivals are happy occasions. Festivals are happy occasions. We celebrate them with our family and friends. So we just read about Diwali, we just celebrated the Diwali occasion, right? Some days before we just celebrated this Diwali occasion with our family and friends also. We light those fireworks with our friends also. And we have lots of fun on those festive days. So on this vacation, like Puja vacation, Diwali vacation, in those festive days, we do a lot of fun. That time we will be so happy, and we celebrated this with our family and friends also, right? So that's why those festivals we called it happy occasion. Festivals are happy occasions. Those Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Moharram, Durga Puja, and those are national Republic days, Independence Days. So those are all our festive occasions, right? So hope you all celebrated this with your family and friends. So now we will start this festive about Diwali. We have to learn about Diwali because we just celebrated this Diwali in November month, right? So that's why we have to know about this, that what is Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. So, this time of Diwali, we lighting up our houses, right? We lighting up with diyas, with candles, with lots of electric lights like tuni lights, Chinese lights. So lot of those lights we put them on our roof or in the balcony, in the room also, and we lighting up our houses, and that will be so beautiful, look so beautiful, right? So that's time in the Diwali nights we lighting them, and it looks so lights up, so bright, so beautiful. And that time we pray to the goddess Lakshmi. We pray to goddess Lakshmi on this day, and that time we decorate our houses. As I just told you, in Diwali night we decorate our houses, our rooms, our balconies, our roofs, and our whole of the house from roof to down. So we put those tune lights, Chinese lights on that, and we light up those candles and diyas in this Diwali night. So why it's Diwali? You have to know this because on Diwali Lord Rama returned to Ajodhya. Lord Rama, that's Ram, we call them Bhagavan Ram. So Lord Rama returned to Ajodhya because he lives in Ajodhya. So that time he returned in his house after 14 exile days. 14 exile days. So that time he lives. He didn't live in his house, he lives on here and there in some forest, and he moving one forest to another forest, but not his home. So that is the 14 exile years. 14 exile, sorry, I am writing here days, it's years. 14 years of exile. Okay. So that is on Diwali days of Diwali, that time Lord Rama returned to his home. So yes, he returned to his home. So that's why we celebrated Diwali on this day, and that day we pray also to the goddess Lakshmi, and that is, as I told you, festive of lights of Diwali. Next is the Christmas. So in this month we will celebrate to Christmas, right? Some days after we will celebrate Christmas on 25th December. So that is also one of the great celebration of us, that is Christmas. And we celebrate Christmas on 25th December every year. Every year in this particular day on 25th December we celebrate Christmas. So why we celebrate it? Because that day Jesus Christ was born. That day Jesus Christ was born. So that's why we celebrated Christmas on this day. And you know, on Christmas we or people go to the church and pray. That day we are in every pupil go to the church. Hope some of you go to the church and pray, right? They decorate their homes. So we also those on the Christmas day we also decorate our homes by those Christmas tree, those jungle bells, Christmas bells we can call them, and lots of flowers, lots of balloons, and we can that time we also buy those doll of Santa Claus, right? You heard about the Santa Claus? That is, we believe that Santa Claus gives us gifts for every children. Santa Claus brings gifts to every children. As you children, hope you also get the gift from Santa Claus, right? Shibanita, which things you sent here? I know it's 16 December. So in the Christmas day we celebrated, we go to the church, and in this day we also eat cake, right? That time we bought cake to our house and we make also, and that day we also eat cake, right? We also eat cake. So this Christmas is we celebrated on 25th December because Jesus Christ was born, and that time we make our house so beautiful by those Xmas trees, those Christmas trees, those jungle bells and balloons, those all lights, flowers. And if you go to the church in Burdwan and others area also, if you go there you can see there are lots of roses also, because we give roses to our Jesus Christ, and pray for our family, our friends also. So we pray to him. And we decorate our houses also, we decorate our Christmas trees also, right? Yes. And okay, Shivanita, very good. And it is believed, and you may of you get some gift from Santa Claus. So any of you get any gift from Santa Claus? Any of you? You didn't get any gift from Santa Claus? Yes, so which things you get from Santa Claus? Shubhecha? Yes. Which things you get? Toys, toffees. Which types of gift? Yes. Very good. Very good. Shibanita get toys. Very good. Santa Claus loves you a lot. Kinder Joy. Very good, Priyanshi. Chocolates. Very good. So you get those all things from Santa Claus. Santa Claus loves you a lot because you are all children now, right? You are good children. So today we discussed about the celebration days, and we already discussed about those occasions, and festivals are happy occasions, and we celebrated it with our family and friends, and that time we enjoyed a lot. And today discussed about the Diwali, and we celebrated Diwali because that day Lord Rama returned to Ajodhya after 14 years of exile. And that time we light up those candles, those diyas, and we also put those Chinese lights in our home to decorate, right? And that day we pray for goddess Lakshmi. And after these days we also celebrate the Kali Puja also, right? Kali Puja, Bhai Phota. So those all things also we celebrated together with our family, also with our brothers, sisters, with our family members, right? And the Christmas day we celebrated on 25th December because of Jesus Christ was born that day, and in that day we go to the church, we pray to the Jesus Christ, we give them rose for praying. And that day we also eat cake, we decorate our homes by, we decorate those Christmas trees by those balloons, flowers and jingle bells also. And we believe that Santa Claus gives us a lot of gifts, as you already get chocolates, toys, right? Barbie doll also, very good, Srinika get Barbie doll. So that is about Christmas. So we all celebrated this Christmas, and we go to the celebration after some days also. Shibanita, New Year means a new year and another year. Now is 2020, right? So this year is just 365 days. So after 365 days we go to another year, like this 2020 will be end up in 31st December, and after the date 1st January we will start another year, that is 2021. So that is new year, that is new year. So that's why as we go to one year to another year after 365 days, that's why we celebrate this year. We celebrate this day because that is the first day of the year, first day of the, that's why we celebrate it. We go for picnic also, and we go enjoy it with lot of fun, right? Yes. So you have to read these two very attentively, and the previous days in your classes we discussed about the people at work, and there we already discussed about the cobbler, carpenter, barber and tailor, and the question time which we already discussed. I hope you all saw those videos, that when I am ill I go to the doctor, at school I learned from my teacher, the postman brings us letter, and the policeman catch thieves. That thing we already discussed, and I gave a homework to solve this crossword, right? To solve this crossword. Hope you all solved this. And here is some crossword there with the pictures, and you have to write their names on these boxes. So first picture we can see that is a doctor, second picture is a cobbler, third one is barber, fourth one is teacher, and fifth one is tailor. So in those boxes some letters are already given here, and you have to fill up with their names. And after they are doing time, you have to write those names, those workers who have those things. So those scissors and comb we can see for in the this barber. Second one, this board we can see the teacher, as you can see. Third one is a stethoscope, we can see to the doctor. Fourth one is a saw, we can see to the carpenter. Fifth one is a machine, a piece of clothes, and we can see to the tailor. And the last one is the letters, and you know we can see to the postman. So that things are very enjoyable things, enjoyable doing time, enjoyable exercise also. So hope you all completed it at your home. That's too easy, as I already gave the answer to you. And this celebration time, let's celebrate this chapter. We also already started in the online class, and we discussed about Diwali and Christmas only. So you have to read about Diwali, why we celebrated Diwali and Christmas, when we celebrated it, and how we celebrated it also. So if you read those Diwali and Christmas very attentively, you can remember easily. Right everyone? So that's all for today. Have a nice day, and who are present, write here P once, only P, okay, because I have to take attendance of you, and that's all.